Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your chat theme on your Instagram direct messages. Okay, first, you're going to open up your Instagram application, and then you're going to go to the Instagram direct messages menu, DM menu. It's right here. Now it's here, guys. Before the update, it's usually right here on the top right corner, but now you can open it from here on the bottom. Okay, and you can select your room chat with your friend or your followers on Instagram. I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm going to go to this menu, and you'll see customize option. All right, and there will be a lot of themes that you can apply to the room chat. For instance, I'm gonna choose, let's try this Odyssey, and then you're going to click on apply, and each room chat will have different theme. You can customize it according to your needs, and you can also change the font. But I think it's for the Instagram Plus. Choose a custom chat font with Instagram Plus. Okay, you can edit or customize the chat font with the plus feature. Okay, and I'm gonna click on preview. That's so cool, but it's not free. Okay, and for the theme, just scroll down until you find the theme that you like. I think I want to change it one more time. I'm gonna go with hold on, I'm still choosing it. I like the black one. Oh, this one is so beautiful. I'm gonna choose this cottage core. Okay, and I'm gonna go back and let's see. Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, if you want to change it or customize it, just tap on the account's name. Okay, and for the group chat, this is for the group chat. Yeah, just same. Okay guys, and that's how you can customize the Instagram chat theme. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.